Hello everyone, welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Elmarie, and for all the new subscribers, welcome. Even the old one, welcome to you all. So today I will be making some honey barbecue pigtail. Juicy and nice succulent pigtail. With that, I will be serving it with some fried sweet potato. Guys, let's get started. So in this bowl I have my pigtail, and I already cleaned the pigtail, but I will give it a second wash with some lemon juice and some white vinegar. That's just to basically cut away the rawness and to have the meat clean. Just a small wash. Then I'll put the pigtail to boil a little bit just to eliminate some of the salt from the meat. At this point, it doesn't matter if I use the hot water or cold. So we'll boil it for like 10 minutes after the boiling process started. In the meantime, I'm going to be using garlic and ginger. So I will just get these ones prepared. Not shy using garlic. In this bowl I have some pork seasoning, so I'm gonna add some black pepper, turmeric powder, not much, this is all-purpose and pork seasoning mix, and a little bit of paprika. And I'll beat some pimento green. Not a lot. This is just for boiling, so I can put the outer part of the garlic in it as well. For the sweet potato, I will just peel the sweet potato and put it in some salt water for about 5 minutes to soak in the salt. I'll first just cut this one in two, and then I'll cut it this way. For this, I'm using the white salt. I'll leave this in the salt water for about 5 minutes. Now I'll just check the pigtail and remove this water because this one's supposed to be salty. I'll give it a second boil because I'm trying to take the salt out. Okay, so now I will take off the second water from the pigtail. I give the pigtail a boil twice, so now I will put it in the pressure cookers because I want to have it cook faster and also more pressure. To this I will just add the ginger and the garlic and the pimento. I don't want to stop the cooking process of the meat, so I will be using hot water. And also I will add coconut milk. I'll cook it in the coconut milk. I'll cook it for about 20 minutes. So it's now 20 minutes. I will check in on the pigtail. So first I will unplug it. Okay, they're all cooked. Tastes very nice and it's not salty. I'll remove the pigtail from the pressure. avocado oil. I'll start with avocado oil. Then I'm gonna add bell pepper. This pepper was in the fridge, so it's a little bit lazy now in the freezer. So I'll add bell pepper. I have as much garlic in from the beginning, so I won't use too much garlic now. One piece is good enough for this small amount of meat. I'll add all of the powder seasoning that I placed in the bowl before, because now I'm making the sauce. I'll use some of the same water that the pigtail was cooked in. I'll put a little browning just for color. Then I'll add some barbecue sauce. And I'll use more barbecue sauce because it's barbecue honey pigtail. Now for my honey. Spicy Thai chili. It's coming along nicely, getting thick. Scotch bonnet pepper, of course. These peppers, they're not so hot. I don't know if it's missing the scotch or it's missing the bonnet, but I don't know. It's not even so hot like our native scotch bonnet pepper. But of course you get these in the supermarket here and they call all of them scotch bonnet pepper. So I'll add one. Okay, nice. I'll also add some lemon zest. Because we're going for this sweety, zesty kind of taste. Perfect. You know what I'll do? The lemon juice too. Okay, awesome. Now the sauce is finished. I will just preheat the oven. Should have done this before. I'll put it at 350. Look at the sauce, guys. Beautiful. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna dip these back in the sauce and then put them in the baking tin. I could just put all of them one time. I didn't spray the baking tin because you know pigtail is a little bit fatty, so it will spring extra fat or oil. So I'll just whip it with some dry thyme. Add flavor also from the thyme. Now I'll stick it in the oven for 15 minutes. Look at it. All nice. So now I'll start working on the sweet potato. So for the sweet potato, I will be using 2 eggs. First, I will use the egg white and whisk the egg white to use it base the potato. I'll just whisk it. Pour the water off, salt water. I'll pour it off the potato. Now I'll just drench this in the egg, and then I'll use some breadcrumbs. I'll just work this the reverse way, just pouring it over the potato. Maybe easier, more space. To this I will add a little cinnamon. Just waiting on the oil to get hot, and then I'll just dip in the breadcrumb. Maybe we can do 3 pieces at a time. It's all looking golden, so I'll just give it a turn. I just put the paper to absorb the excess oil. So this is all done, nice and golden brown, all cooked. So I'll remove them from the oil. It is so small. So my beautiful people, again, this chives is from my backyard. So proud. So I'll just chop up a few for garnishing of the pigtail. Okay, the oven is signaling me that 20 minutes is up and it's ready. So I'll turn the oven off. The last piece, all done. Look at the beauty. Wow. Now guys, I'm down to the last part where I am going to be plating, and after plating, you know it's eating. Here we have it, my beautiful people. Finished product. Honey barbecue pigtail along with some fried sweet potato. Guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please remember, like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Delicious. Very, very nice. I like it.